Hi class, welcome to winter. What does that mean? 5 weeks. 5 weeks. You'll be seeing a lot of me. I won't be seeing a lot of you because we're online, but I'll be hearing from a lot of you. Hopefully we will see each other sometimes in the office hours. I'm assuming you know something about Canvas by now. I'm also assuming that you've done some basic writing in college, right? If you've taken the 102 course that I teach, I know that I introduce students to the different kinds of correspondence in the business world, and I think you've been introduced to that somewhat. That being said, I don't expect anybody to be perfect. This is a place where we come and make mistakes and learn from each other. If you were perfect, why would you need me, right? I am not perfect either. So there you go. So most of the class, all of the class takes place in modules, but on the left-hand side you can see the home page where you'll find this video when we're done. Announcements, any announcements I make, it sends you a notification to your email, and then announcements are posted here. Syllabus, always a good place to review what we're doing. The online office hours, this is not a mandatory class. This is a office hour where you stop in if you have questions only. So other students may be dropping in from other classes too. Excuse me. So it's not an instructional thing, but come in, ask questions, clear up things, due dates, do over papers, whatever the case is, do over assignments, just let me know. And this is where we meet. You may have to right-click it to go there. Right? Copy link to highlight and go to it right away, and this is the meeting code. And then it goes into all the rules and regulations of the class. Now, Wednesdays are when the discussion board first post is due, and then Sunday nights at least 2 more, right? So we go into modules, and there's orientation, all this help for students that when I was in college, I didn't take advantage of all the help that was offered to me for free because I didn't know it was there. Well, it's here, especially student support services, counseling, library instruction, all these things, tutoring services, they're all there at your fingertips. So it's up to you to use these to better yourself in all your classes and be prepared for what you need to do. So after you roll through the online syllabus information, same information as this, you will see week 1, week 9, and the schedule. And the schedule is introduced to the course syllabus and contract. There's a contract at the end of the syllabus for you to copy and paste into an assignment in the week 1 module, and you'll get 10 points just for copying and pasting and typing your name. This shows me that you've at least looked at the class the first day. If you don't pass it until Tuesday, then you don't pass it until Tuesday, but try to get it on Monday. Tuesday, the plan is due for the week. Your plan is just telling us how you plan on doing your work in this class and other classes, just what's going on, and then 2 more posts for 5 points. But the real work, so to speak, not that that is fake work, but the real work is the check-in assignment is due in the discussion board by Wednesday night at midnight, and there's a quiz that opens on chapter 1 on your textbook, on Wednesday, and it stays open till Sunday. You can take it any time between Wednesday and Sunday, but once you start, you have to finish, right? And there's a 2-hour limit on that. So this is the required book. I put it in PDF in case you just wanted to keep it on your computer, but if you want to consistently just go to online, it opens quicker, of course. You have this, right? And chapter 1 is here. So everything is online for you to peruse. Other than that, I think you should just jump into the modules here and just scroll down one by one, right? Syllabus information, all this, and then start here, completed contract, and next week you will see, Wednesday you will see week 2, January 16th. So jump in. Modules is where the class takes place. You'll see grades, people. You can email people, including myself, through people, and I think you should email me through Canvas for the quickest response. And you have other tutoring and library sources there too. So welcome. Jump in. I think in 5 weeks we will get to know each other a little bit and also get the work we need to do to complete a class in the winter sessions. So